I'm really struggling to keep my humidor at the right humidity. It's running good right now, but hey, chuck like a moist towel in there. Otherwise it just keeps dropping to 50. Got a Joe Cool crystal humidifier. And this stuff is supposed to keep it at 70, but it's struggling. Seasoned it a couple of times, but yeah, don't know what's going on. Seems to seal. Seems to have a nice seal. If anyone knows what I can try, comment. I've tried seasoning and season again and season again, but it just goes back down. It is pretty dry.